Thinking of getting a mortgage pre-approval? Well, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you need to take to get pre-approved so you can shop smart, negotiate strong, and land that dream home. If you're new here, my name's Tish, and I'm a licensed real estate agent in Ontario and would love to help with your home search. My contact information is in the description, and I get calls, emails, and text messages from individuals just like you and you and you and you and you. Now, be sure to stay till the end because I am going to share an insane hack that's going to help you with getting pre-approved for way more. Insane hack. So what is a pre-approval? It is an official letter from a lender stating how much you're approved to borrow. It is based on your income, debt, credit, and assets. It is stronger than a pre-qualification, which is a simple, soft estimate. A pre-approval can be good for up to 120 days and is critical when submitting offers. It's also good because lenders will also guarantee you that interest rate that you've been approved for at the time of your approval. So even if interest rates do go up, you could still lock in that interest rate that is on your approval letter at the time you were pre-approved. And of course, if rates do go down, you will be eligible for the new rate at the time that you purchase. So why does a pre-approval matter? Well, first and foremost, sellers will take you more seriously. It gives your buyer agent more ammo to help in the negotiation process to help you get the best deal and terms for your dream home. Secondly, you'll know your budget. It's also important because you'll know your budget. There won't be any heartbreak over homes that you can't afford. When you're pre-approved, you're also a lot more prepared. So as soon as a home that meets your criteria comes to market, you're in a position to act quickly as opposed to lagging because you don't know how much you're approved for. Being pre-approved early can also help you assist any financial issues and correct them before you start house shopping. So what do you need to prepare for a mortgage pre-approval? You typically need your government photo ID, proof of income, like your 2 most recent pay stubs, your 2 most recent T4s, and if you're self-employed, they may also ask for your T1 general or your NOAs for the last 2 years. They'll also ask for bank statements, usually for the past 3 to 6 months, employment verification letter, credit check permission, because they'll actually need to pull your credit score to see what debts you have, to see your history of paying your bills, credit cards on time. It'll also disclose to them any debts you have, like if you own any other property, if you have any car loans, credit card debts. You'll also need to provide proof of your down payment source. So it could be either from a savings account, be gifted from a family, or be from investments. So what happens during the pre-approval process? So first you submit your documents and you fill out the mortgage application. The lender will then pull your credit report. They'll evaluate your debt to income ratio and then provide you with a letter letting you know how much you've been approved for. You're now ready to house hunt. How to choose the right lender. So the best way to choose the right lender is to not go directly to your bank. You're going to be tempted to, because it may shortcut the process because they already probably have some of your existing documents like your bank statements, ID, and so forth. But the best way to really get the best interest rate is to work with a mortgage broker. A mortgage broker is going to shop around amongst hundreds of lenders that they have access to, A lenders, B lenders, private lenders, to get you the best rate and to qualify you for the highest amount. Not only that, some mortgage brokers produce such high volume of clients that they are getting preferred interest rate and terms over you just going directly to the lender. Plus, your bank will likely be an A lender, and if you're not approved with them, you may be thinking that you actually cannot afford a home at all, when in reality, you may just have to look at a B lender. It is important to compare lenders, compare their terms, compare their interest rates, fees, and of course, their customer service. You can, of course, ask your agent for trusted referrals. So mistakes to avoid during the pre-approval process include not financing new furniture or a new car. This could drastically change your debt to income ratio and may lead to you no longer being approved. Do not change or quit your job. Typically, lenders are looking for at least 2 years of work history, not necessarily in the same job, but at least in the same or similar industry. Don't make large unexplained bank deposits. that may come off as a red flag and trigger suspicious banking activity with the lender. Do not co-sign anyone's loan. That could significantly impact your debt to income ratio because co-signing someone else's loan is going to count as debt toward your qualification. Just keep in mind that any of these can delay or cancel your approval process. And as promised, I'm going to give you guys an insane mortgage hack that's going to help you to get approved for more. And what that is if you purchase a home with a basement apartment, okay, you will be able to qualify for more because the lender can use the basement apartment rental income to help you to qualify. Okay, so this is an insane hack that a lot of people don't know, a lot of people don't leverage, but just keep in mind it has to be a legal basement. And just because you guys stayed this long, I'm going to also give you another hack. Also keep in mind if you're self-employed, you don't necessarily need 2 years of history. You can be approved with some lenders with only 6 months of being self-employed. So what's next after being pre-approved? Well, this is the exciting part. Now you can go house hunting, work with your agent to find your ideal homes and fulfill your real estate goals. You could also use a pre-approval letter when making offers, although it isn't mandatory. It's important to keep financial behavior consistent until closing. And once your offer has been accepted on a home, your file goes to underwriting for final approval. Need help getting approved or not sure where to start? Click the link in my description and I'll get you in touch with my team of incredible mortgage brokers. We'd love to help. And of course, if you're looking for help with your home buying journey, be sure to reach out. I am a realtor and would love to connect with you. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. See you in the next video.